Okay, so you might be wondering, where was last week's video? The builders were here for the first 3 days, and then Monday we had one builder come without the other, and then the same thing happened on the Tuesday, and then we haven't seen them since. So it's been 6 working days now since we've seen the actual builders, but today we had some positive news. We had the plumber here. Today the plumber has been, and she's done a pretty good job. I'll show you what she's been up to now. Okay, so first of all I need to apologise for my nasalness. I have an awful cold. But you might remember where the chimney breast used to be, there were all these random pipes sticking up, which was blocking the entrance basically of where the stairs are going to go. And what the plumbers had to do is reroute all the pipes basically from the boiler. So basically they used to just run from there all the way down, and I think they feed downstairs as well. And then what's happened here is now that's where the stairs opening is going to be, I think literally right by here. So they've had to run the pipes around where the opening to the stairs would be, like that. So I'm guessing, yeah, I'm literally guessing the stairs must be going here. And just for reference, that is where Alex fell through the ceiling. Yeah, so I'm guessing, because those pipes are there, the ensuite is going to be up to about there, and then the bedroom will be all the way over there. So I just wanted to show you upstairs before it gets really dark. I appreciate if you can't see much, but you should be able to see more today, and that's for one reason. We've had new Veluxes installed. Let me turn you around. Okay, so today has been the first day that the builders have been back since their holiday. And we have a new Velux. I haven't got the balls to try and open it yet. But yeah, that's Velux number 1. Now I'm going to really watch where... So this Velux we already had, which is going to get replaced. And if I come through, so we're going to actually have a Velux here as well, which will overlook the stairs, so that'll be a nice one. Be a bit bougie when you first come in. This one, I believe, is getting patched in. And then there's going to be another Velux here for the bathroom. And then this is the other new Velux. And then this is the old one, which you can usually see straight into Cardiff city centre from this window. This one will be getting replaced as well. So it's definitely a lot brighter in here. I can't believe how big this is. I wasn't expecting them to be so big. Like, I don't think I'm going to be able to do much interior design, because this is taking up the whole roof, really. So yeah, I suppose it's good because the builders have now got more light up here. And I've had some progress. I've noticed some more progress over here as well. They've installed more of these roof joists, floor joists. I was thinking that didn't sound right. So those floor joists are there. There's all the roof tiles that'll probably be needed when we patch up that area. The chimney still hasn't been patched in, but the weather is actually beautiful in Cardiff at the moment, so I'm not too worried about that. And yeah, they've just done more of these roof rafters. Yes, floor joists, roof rafters. I don't know why I always get those confused. We've had more roof rafters because basically we need thick insulation up here, and the original ones aren't deep enough, so we've got more, which is great because it's just upgrading the loft. And then we've got beautiful western sky. Oh. Out here. So yeah, I'm pleased to see some dopamine changes today. I'm really happy with the Velux. They look nice. And we're going to have, yes, there's going to be one there and one there, so they'll be opposite each other. Same in the back bedroom. And then there'll be two new windows on this side as well, one for the bathroom and one for the stairwell, which I'm really excited to see the stairwell because I can't envision it, because from here I can show you where the stairwell is going to be because of the way the pipes are. So if you can see there, the ends of the pipes, that is literally where the stairs are going to come up. But when you see that distance downstairs, it doesn't feel right. I'll show you. So this is where I was just stood at the end. And then the stairs are going where the dartboard is. So it feels a lot further when you're actually downstairs, but I did measure just to be safe, and it all checks out. I should have more faith. So yes, that is the end of day 2 of them being back from their annual leave. Day 1, sorry. Yesterday was just the plumber. So hopefully we'll have some more Veluxes going in tomorrow, which will be nice. Okay, so this is the end of week 3 now. So the builders weren't here for 6 working days, so it's a little bit behind, I think. But this is what they've done so far. So I think I've already showed you the Veluxes, which is really nice. I'm excited to see the others get installed. But you can see all of these roof rafters have been padded out, ready for the 100mm insulation. And all of these floor joists, just got to be really careful that I'm not stepping anywhere I shouldn't, like Alex. So make sure I'm stepping on all the right spots. A few more floor joists have been put in over there. And then I think all of these have been cut, ready to... Have they been cut? I'm not actually sure. Don't think they have, but I think these have all been cut to the size, ready to be installed up there. We've looked at what type of bathroom we want and everything, and I've pretty much found like a whole bathroom suite for plus tiles for £2,000, which is actually £4,000 cheaper than I'd budgeted for, because in the last house, I think we spent like £6,000 on each bathroom, whereas this one's so small, I can't really spend £6,000. And I vowed that I'd never spend a lot of money on a vanity unit again, and I found like a really good one that's got a basin included. I think it's like 190 quid. It's the vanity unit plus the basin, and it becomes fully assembled, so I don't have to put that together, so that's good. So that would take that up to, once we've ordered all that, that'll take the project up to 45,000. We have had, so I think I showed you earlier in the week, the plumber had to come and redo the pipes and make sure that they're not in the way of the stair opening. So that has cost us an extra £500 because the plumber was here all day doing that. So now we're at like, the build costs is 43,500, and then something else we're going to have to pay for as well. We're going to go with these builders to put the new front door in and patch up the old front door, and we've had a quote from them for 1,700, so that's going to be included at the end as well. So that'll, but I think that's reasonable because we had another quote and it was a little bit more than that, so that's fine. So that's where we're at. We're at 43,500, including the kitchen, the bathroom that I haven't ordered yet, 45,500. So that's where we are after week 3, which is actually kind of only week 2 of any work. But yeah, so we'll see what next week brings. I'm really excited because I think this week they're all going to be here for the full 5 days, which I think will make such a difference. And I think the plumber's coming back to do first fix on the bathroom as well, so I need to send over everything that I've picked there. Okay, so I think today's probably the most transformational day so far. We've basically got the stud wall here as you're going up the stairs. It's a bit mind your head situation, but we've started to get the stud walls, which is so exciting. I think this is definitely one of the most exciting parts, because I was really struggling to imagine what the hell it was going to look like. And like the rooms are a little bit smaller than potentially what I was thinking they would be, but you can kind of imagine with these stud walls what it's going to be like. Okay, so this is bedroom number 2 here. So the doorway will be by there, and this will be bedroom number 2. So where I've just come up from, there'll be another Velux there, and then this gap here is where the stairs will be. So you'll come up from the stairs there, and then this area here, this will be the bathroom. So you can see the waste is already there. So the shower will be up in this corner here. It is a bit small, this bathroom, but it literally does the job. It's a bathroom. It's going to have the toilet there, then the sink there, and then from here, this stud here, I've got to keep checking that I'm not going to fall through the ceiling. This will be the entrance then, from this stud to the master bedroom, I think is going to be, because we should be able to get, like, this is going, so we should be able to get wardrobes like all the way maybe down here to about there. So hopefully that'll be like that, and then this will be, so you can get a Super King in here, but it will literally just swallow up the whole room. So I think we're definitely going to just stick to double beds up here. See, it's a really nice Veluxes. I really like the Veluxes. They're big, but they're nice. And then yeah, this is basically going to be the master bedroom. It feels smaller than the other one for some reason, but you do get that extra space over there that the other one doesn't have. And all of these squares here are access panels, so we can literally, like, we can store loads of stuff in there, even though we've got like a double garage, but we can store loads of stuff in here, even though we probably won't put anything in there, because once it's in there, it's probably never going to come out. But yeah, I think I'm really happy with how it's looking today and the progress, because it just feels... it feels like I can actually envisage what this is going to look like now. So yeah, stairs, bathroom, master. Well, I say master, the master bedroom's going to be downstairs, but in terms of up here, that one's probably going to be bigger. But I like this one. I don't know why. I think I just like a bedroom at the back of the house. So I feel like I might move into this one. And then I was thinking, the stairs are there. Stairs are there. Could Alex potentially have a desk there where he could work from? The only problem is then you've got people coming up from the stairs. People, it's just going to be me, the dog, there. But for the time being, it could be an option, because one of us will have to work from our bedroom otherwise, or we both work from the same room, which we kind of know doesn't work. So yeah, that's the progress this week. I think I'm going to upload tonight, so I'll have to wait till next week to see what happens next week.